Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're going to do a random and a draft your hit break from 4 boxes of 2013 Top Shelf Legends Baseball. These were donated by Tricitysportsp PL. All 4 boxes were donated, and I would like to thank them for generously donating the boxes. So how this is going to work, it's already been announced that I'm going to have spot number 1. After that, there's going to be 11 other spots, and people are going to get to draft their hits. So let's do that right now, guys. All right, everybody's name is entered into random.org. 11 names. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jeremy J., you're going to pick second after me. Jason W., Lewis C., Jacob G., Chris M., Jessica J., Rob D., Brandon L., Terry D., Greg M., and David P. That's the list. All right. Let's print this out here. And while that's happening, I'm going to open the boxes. Oh, Brandon's here. They make them, Brandon. Brando, you got spot number 8, buddy. Let's see how I can get this open here. We'll open all 4 boxes and then we will do the picking. Well, we know they are secure. There we go, I think. Very secure packaging by Tricitysportsp PL. All right. Oh, we got a sketch card already. That's nice. And a nice stick card. Maybe that's a bat knob. We got an American relic there. Ooh, we got some nice stuff here. Ah, we got the Gotti relic. Oh. Oh. This is some nice stuff. Man, I'm going to be torn on that Gotti relic, I'll tell you. Because I am a Gotti man. Alright, we'll open the first pack. And you guys wanted American presidents. Well, you got a Jimmy Carter relic. And we'll go to the back. Ooh, the boss, Bruce Springsteen. Nice. Brandon, you gotta pick your card, brother. This is a draft. And let's see what's in the middle. Oh, the Mickey Mantle. I don't know if you can or not. I don't know if you can. I want to see if these are numbered or not. They are 30 of 50 on the Mick. Nice. Well, I'll tell you, this is going to be hard to pick. 83 out of 100 on the Jimmy Carter. And, whoa, Bruce Springsteen is number 1 of 100. Oh, there's some boom, baby. All right, let's see what's in pack number 2. Richard Nixon, another American president. And, ooh, Robert De Niro. Wow, that's pretty cool. And the De Niro is 21 out of 100. Actually, I like Carter. And Richard Nixon is 25 out of 100. And let's see what we got here. Legendary Lumbers. Oh, Ty Cobb. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, number 4 or 5. That's some boom, baby. Wow. There is some boom, baby. Oh my. And man, I'll tell you, I don't think I'm going to be picking it, but whoever does want to trade it, let me know. Because I'm a big John Gotti fan. And we have a Gerald Ford relic. All right, the Gerald Ford is 48 out of 100. The John Gotti, and I just don't want you guys to see the relic of the bat, is 35 out of 100. And the relic, Hank Aaron, Legendary Lumber. Wow, that's nice. 37 of 50. All right, last pack. Look at this. Willie Mays sketch card. That is nice. Willie Mays sketch, and it is a 1 of 1. And that's a little boom, baby, right there. That's right. You're right, David. And look at this. Another person's going to have a chance to trade me a John Gotti. There's another one. All right, so the Gotti is number 81 out of 100. 81 out of 100. And let's see what this card is. Legendary Lover, Frank Robinson, nice. And that's number 45 of 50. Wow. Wow, wow. This is some nice stuff, guys. Holy moly. Now the question is, what do I take? What's up, Gwynny? Wow. As much as I love the Gotti, I'm hoping to trade. I'm hoping somebody will trade. Now you gotta love Mick. You gotta love Mick. The Willie Mays, it's a 1 of 1. That is pretty darn sweet. That is pretty darn sweet. But the Ty Cobb is at a 5. You gotta like that as well. Wow, that's a tough choice. That is a tough choice. All right, Greg, you got it, brother. That is tough. I mean, guys, look at this. Even the Bruce Springsteen is pretty darn sick. It's pretty darn sick, that card. I mean, on cam, the colors are probably not coming out as nice as they are in person. That's a pretty sick card. Greg, I think you are absolutely right. It has to be the Cobb. Because I do have an interest in that. So now spot number 2, Jeremy J. I'm going to have to look into picking up some of these boxes. The Ty Cobb is now off the board. Jeremy J. It is your pick, buddy. Mickey Mantle. Good pick, Jeremy. You wanted some boom, baby. And there it is. All right. Mickey Mantle going to Jeremy J. Next on the clock, Jason W. Yeah, I'm definitely going to look into it, Doyle. To go over, Jason, you have a Willie Mays 1 of 1. A Hank Aaron Legendary Lumber number 50. Jason, very good choice, buddy. Willie Mays is off the board. Lewis C. Lewis, you're up. Next is going to be Jacob. But you still had some boom, baby. Hank Aaron, Legendary Lumber, is off the board. Jacob G, you're up, buddy. You can have a Frank Robinson bat, number to 50. And these are number to 100. Bruce Springsteen, Jimmy Carter, Robert De Niro, Richard Nixon, Gerald Ford, John Gotti, or John Gotti. And Chris M., you're going to be up next. Jacob G., you are up. All right, you got it, Jacob. Jacob is taking Gotti. I actually had some cards for you pulled aside, so good thing. All right. Chris M., you are up. Hey, Terry, I'm thinking about doing a draft in the football this weekend. What do you think of that? Yeah, Frank Robinson. All right, Frank Robinson is gone. Jeremy, it was between Mick, Cobb, and Willie Mays. You couldn't go wrong with any of those three. Jessica, you are up. Yeah, I like that. I might do that. Chad, you like that too? Draft your team? Maybe I'll change that on the website. It'll drum up a little more interest in it. I think people are just waiting to payday. Jessica wants John Gotti, so both Gottis are gone. Who would have known? Rob D, you are up. All right. All right, Nathan. Well, yeah, you like this guy? Wow, okay. No, I'll change it after the break, guys. Gerald Ford. Richard Nixon. Robert De Niro. Jimmy Carter. And Bruce Springsteen. Rob D, you are up. How ironic is that? Greg's on a roll tonight. Good choice, buddy. Brandon, are you here or did you leave again? Dinero is off the board. Whoa. Wait a second. Dinero, no wait. Richard, I'm not a crook, Nixon. He'll take the Nixon. Okay. So let's put Dinero back. Richard Nixon is now off the board. Yep, I got it on Nixon. Brandon, are you still here? If not, I'm going to try to text him real fast. Oh, Bruce. Okay. I see it now. Bruce Springsteen. Good choice, Brandon. Terry D, you are up. I know what Terry's going for. Terry, you got Dinero, Jimmy Carter, or Gerald Ford. Dinero, good choice. I knew you were going to take that. Greg M, you are up. I like the Dinero too. You get Mr. Jimmy Carter or Gerald Ford. Oh, I can tell you that wasn't going to last, David, because I know Greg would have taken it. Gerald Ford or Jimmy Carter? Multicolor on both. Thank you, Chris. Gerald Ford for Greg. And David, you get President Carter. All right, guys. Awesome product from Tricitysportsp PL. Make sure that you thank them on Twitter. They generously donated those 4 boxes to us. Don't forget to check them out and check out their products and the upcoming breaks I'll have of them. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Don't forget to check me out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow me on Twitter @thecasebreakers, and happy Boom Baby holidays to everyone.